on?
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ultra Ego Tang with a new video, man. Today we're gonna be doing a cereal tier list. I got my boys with me. Astronaut,
Sir.
Yes, sir.
don't forget the one. Saying and my boy Trey. Hey, what's up, man?
Wicked
What's
Ski,
up?
don't forget the one.
We can't forget. You
We
know,
can't forget. Oh, he got a new gamer tag now, so we can't even address him by his own. Like anybody actually addressed him by his old gamer tag.
Ethan. My boy. I just realized that.
but you already know what we got going on, bro. We got the cereal tier list, like he said. We already did the snack tier list. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out.
You
Link
gotta
is
check
in
that
the
out, bro.
description for that.
That was a banger if I say so myself. I was happy with that.
And here's the thing, bro. If you like Slim Jims, click off the video now.
Yep.
This obviously doesn't appeal to you.
If you like Slim Jims, don't go watch that. Don't go watch the snack tier list, bro. It's just not. It's not for you.
Put any more meat sticks in your mouth.
Shouldn't be
Don't
eating
do
those
it.
anyways,
Don't
bro.
do it.
You eating fake meat for real.
But nonetheless, let's hop right into it, shall we, bro?
Yeah,
First
Let's
on
do
the
it,
tier
man.
list, bro.
Apple
We got Apple
Jacks.
Jacks, bro.
They alright.
B
Who
tier.
said it? B tier?
I don't know. I don't know.
Honestly, I
mean-
put it like C tier.
For
'Cause
me,
it's not-
Yeah.
B or C. B or
I'm
C.
thinking
What you said?
C.
Which cereal?
Apple Jacks. I mean,
Apple
Apple
Jacks.
Jacks.
they're not
Apple Jacks.
good, but they not bad either. Like if
Apple Jacks are sick in that nigga. Fuck that.
Oh,
what?
you tripping.
got 'em.
You tripping? They not sickening.
I say
Like
C tier. I say C tier.
They're chicken, dude.
I can do it as C tier.
If I
You
have
can
them
do
in
C
the house,
tier.
if I have them in the house, I'll eat them.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm
I'm
going
not going out of my way to
eat
go eat them.
Yeah, yeah.
Nah,
That's all.
I
better
definitely am going out my way to go get some Apple Jacks if it comes down to it. I like Apple Jacks,
Apple
bro.
Jacks from the store.
I'm putting
gonna
these in
go
C
and buy
tier,
them.
bro.
C tier it is, bro.
What are
Next,
these?
we got the-
Blueberries.
I think the blueberries, bro.
F.
Now these, what?
This shit used to hit different as a kid.
Cause see, here's the thing.
They loaded this bitch up with sugar.
These are
That's why
only
it's
good.
different.
These are only good because of nostalgia. They only come out during
Yeah,
Halloween,
bro.
and whenever they come out, it's a hit or miss. Depending on what store you get them from, they're either stale or they're good. And even if they're good, they get soggy way too quick. They get like puffy when as soon as they touch milk, they get puffy and nasty, bro.
The texture of it's kind of weird.
Like these cereals are for
I'll
kids,
say
bro.
this though. I'll
My
say this.
pride never let me eat it.
This is the best flavor out of the other two they dropped.
That's false.
I'll put it in D tier.
That's false.
The other two belong.
Actually,
in
I don't know.
Frankenberry's
I don't know,
fire.
the
Oh, y'all
whatever his
bugging.
name is.
Ain't no way y'all saying those. Bro, those two can. That ass go sickening, and I wouldn't bat an eye.
No, he's talking about Count Chocula, bro. First of all, you eating chocolate cereal willingly, you're nasty. Unless it's Cookie Crisp. But
What's wrong with chocolate cereal? What?
We're gonna get to
We're-
chocolate
Yeah, let's
tier,
get
bro.
to it.
Where
Let's
we
get
put-
to it.
where we-
Let's get to it. We
No,
gonna get
we'll
to it.
get to them. We'll get to them. Where we putting blueberries? Where we
I'm
putting the
saying-
blueberries?
I'm saying F tier.
D tier, bro.
F tier, D tier. I'll go
Ethan,
D
what's
tier.
your verdict?
Yeah. I'm
D
going-
tier.
I'm going with D tier.
All right,
Alright,
blueberries
Cody
going
on
to
that
D tier. Captain Crunch, the OGs.
Oh,
Man,
these-
those ones go crazy.
Hot
Those ones go crazy.
Sickening.
Those ones
Sickening.
go
They're
crazy.
horrible.
Nah, bro, you're
Captain
bugging.
Crunch is the
Bro,
worst
bro.
cereal of all mankind.
I'll put
That
Captain
shit is
Crunch.
straight ass.
I'll put these at C
Regular
tier.
Captain Crunches.
I'll put these at C
These
tier.
are going.
We have a different list. Because
that's
I'm putting
B tier, bro.
Captain Crunch in sickening. I don't care what anybody says.
I'm put these
Captain
can go
Crunch
in
are
C.
the worst. They're horrible. They're horrible.
These can go in C tier.
Which
A
one?
Crunch Berry, the plain Captain Crunch. These ones go crazy.
Hey,
Can we
this
agree on
is my
C tier? Can we
personal
agree on
opinion
C
right here,
tier?
y'all. Sickening, but we'll put it in C tier, I guess.
Yeah.
These Crunch Berries, these can go
They're
in D
better
tier.
than
Berries
Captain
one?
Crunch.
I would say these can go in
but they're
D tier.
not.
These ones are going in my S
Yeah,
tier.
yeah. I don't know about berries, bro.
No, cause see, here's the thing.
like-
It's these. So the Crunch Berries are different from the Oops All Berries. These Crunch Berries, they get
Oh, that's
soggy
not the
so
all berries?
quick. No, these aren't the all berries. These are the
Oh,
yellow
no.
things
Oh,
mixed with
this
the
is
berries.
the
These are
half
D
and
tier.
half.
Yeah,
This
these
one
are
is
half
Yeah,
half.
put them in
The
B
all
tier, bro.
berries is
That's
better.
B tier, bro.
This is the Crunch Berries is D tier. The all Oops All Berries is like A tier. The ones
All
where it's,
berries, bro?
Al Berry's is
Yes.
better. It's the best one.
It's
out
the
of all
best.
of
It's the best out of the crunch. I don't know.
Nah.
Bro, cause them little, whatever.
Them
the
little
fuck
yellow
you wanna
things
call
be
'em,
cutting
them
your
shits
mouth up.
Ass. They ass. They get soggy. The milk tastes
No,
bad.
no. See, like, here's the
They
thing.
get soggy, bro.
The whole half and half, the whole Crunch Berry cereal, that all gets soggy way too quick. That's why it's D tier. Like, they're good by themselves, but together, terrible.
Alright.
I'm putting Crunch Berries at D tier.
Crunch Berry D tier. Definitely.
I'm putting them S.
I have not had
Put 'em at
these.
that?
Put 'em
These
deep.
motherfuckers
What is this,
put 'em
bro?
D tier.
Sprinkled donut crunch? I haven't had that. Or sparkle?
I've
Yeah,
never
me
had
neither.
these.
I've
Anybody
never had
these?
that shit. I've never had that.
Deontay, you had these?
What?
These
This shit
sprinkled donut crunch or sparkle donut
Sprinkled
crunch?
donuts crunches, bro. You had these?
Hell no, this just sound like
Yeah,
dying.
No.
that's like, yeah, that's
Alright,
diabetes.
default F tier because nobody had
Yep.
these
Yeah.
and they don't even look good.
They don't look
Uh,
good at
berries.
all.
Oops, all berries, A tier. I'm putting
I'm
it at A
going-
They
tier.
good. They good.
They're not going A tier. They're going B tier. I'll go with B tier.
B tier.
B tier. Okay.
Oh, B tier. I had them at my job before. Man.
Peanut butter crunch.
They
This is also B tier.
Yeah.
I don't like peanut butter, so I wouldn't eat
Sickening
this.
because I'm fucking allergic and I would die. So
I like
Oh.
sickening also because why are we putting peanut butter in cereal? Motherfuckers just want to put peanut
Bro.
butter on everything.
But it's not.
Bro.
It's not like peanut butter.
It's not
It's
bad
not-
peanut
you're not
butter.
just straight up dumping peanut butter in cereal or fucking milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is plain Cheerios. Now
What
this,
we putting the
Are these
putting
honey
these-
nuts?
I'm putting these in B tier. I put
Is
them
this
peanut butter
honey
crunches
Yeah,
in B
those are
tier.
B tier.
No, these are
Oh,
plain
normal
Jane.
Cheerios?
I'm
The
putting
normal
them in B.
Cheerios
They're
hit, bro.
fucking
Normal
fire
Cheerios.
Yeah,
as
those
shit.
go crazy. Normal Cheerios go
No.
crazy.
Okay,
Bro,
okay.
they're supposed
I
Are y'all
hate them.
are y'all putting sugar in them to make them go crazy, or y'all just leaving
No.
plain Jane? Y'all are
Put 'em
crazy.
straight
They
up.
plain,
B
bro.
tier still.
Sometimes I did it. Sometimes.
Yeah.
I used to, but it's
Okay.
like no, that kind of ruins it.
Like as a dry snack,
Bro, it's so.
y'all saying
I like
with
the
milk or as
honey nut.
a dry snack?
Both, bro. It's
Cause
both.
as a dry snack, plain
I'm
Cheerios
talking
snack
about when we thinking about all these, we thinking in your bowl with
with
the milk.
with milk. Okay.
No, with nothing extra. Nothing
These
left.
are C tier. Plain Cheerios are C tier.
B tier. I put them B tier, but I'll meet you at C tier. We can
No,
do that.
no,
Like,
no,
oh,
no. We
I
can
can-
go. I can do B tier. I can do B tier. Cause you don't need sugary cereal every morning for breakfast. You don't need
no, don't.
They
your
got that
cereal.
heart
So
on them, bro. They're good for your cholesterol.
I think all Cheerios, no matter what flavor, are good for your cholesterol. Just
Make sure you
Plus.
watch out for your cholesterol, kids, man. Don't let it get too high.
eat your Cheerios, man. Look, they got chocolate Cheerios, frosted Cheerios, plain, apple, cinnamon, strawberry,
Chocolate Cheerios, nigga, don't eat that shit.
bananas,
Only chocolate
bananas and
Cheerios,
caramel,
not the-
strawberry banana. I just had some strawberry banana Cheerios the other day. Box is
But we
almost
on
already
what
gone.
chocolate Cheerios,
Yes.
though? What we saying about chocolate Cheerios?
Chocolate Cheerios is an F tier.
I don't eat
agree.
chocolate Cheerios.
You might as
Why
well.
we put chocolate in cereal? This is once again one of those things. Like we don't need it.
Like a little bit is okay, but like the whole cereal nugget is
I
chocolate.
can't get down with no chocolate. Man.
Frosted Cheerios.
Where are you putting this at?
Frosted,
I'm thinking B or
Frosted
A.
Cheerios.
I'm thinking B or A.
Have you had these? I've never
Yes.
had these before.
Yeah.
Frosted Cheerios, bro? No, I ain't had
Any sweet like version of Cheerios, like Cheerios are already good, but any sweet version of Cheerios is like an A or S tier maybe. But these are B. These are like B or A. I'm gonna go with B.
We'll do that. Rice test.
Sickening. Off rip. We ain't even-
Sickening?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, there's no reason why you should be eating Chex cereal.
Specifically the
put
rice
all-
ones.
We hitting the triple for sickening? This is-
Yeah,
No,
bro.
no,
Yeah.
because the blueberry and cinnamon
Alright,
they
so
have
three
flavor.
of us are saying the triple for the sickening, so all of them are going in sickening.
Yeah, bro,
This is your doing, AJ.
Bro, have y'all ever had the
Sickening ass
cinnamon
cereal.
checks, bro? Have y'all ever had the cinnamon checks?
I don't want them. I don't want them.
Hell
I
no,
don't want
I
'em.
don't want no
They're
fucking
sickening
cinnamon
for a
Chex.
reason.
So, bro, y'all
Cinnamon
ain't,
Chex,
y'all,
bro.
y'all ain't even had them before, bro.
Nigga,
You ain't even
if
had
I
them
wanted
before.
a bag
You ain't
of
even had
chips,
them
I'ma
before.
grab a bag of chips. How the fuck you all gonna say
Yeah, bro, deadass. Why we putting these in milk? Why is that a thing?
Bro, it's
That's
cereal,
illegal.
bro. It's
Okay, well,
cereal.
next time I want you to throw your classic Lay's chips in your bowl of cereal. Let's see how you like that.
Grim.
That's-
That's grim.
yeah.
That's grim. Chips always
That's
cereal.
absolutely
I ain't
disgusting.
never had these
Chips
before.
are
Chips don't
whole.
like cereal.
I ain't never had these.
They're
Ethan,
good?
I'll say Ethan gonna have
I
to
like
beat a
them.
vote on it.
Where you putting them, Ethan? Because you're the one who's had these. So by law, we follow your ruling.
Put a B tier.
B B tier. That's
I
that's
gotta
pretty
try
high.
these, bro, 'cause
That's pretty
Yeah,
high.
I gotta
like
try them.
Chips
I
Ahoy
gotta
myself.
try them, bro.
They
See-
taste, bro. They taste like the Chips Ahoy.
That's really good.
Menus
That's
is
really
all
good.
that.
I have not had the
Cinnabon.
Cinnabon cereal, but it's a
Yeah,
cinnamon
what
roll
is
cereal, so I can actually put. I might be
It
put this
doesn't
at
look
B tier.
appealing either. It really doesn't look.
Actually,
appealing.
you know what? No, I'm not putting this at B tier because Cinnamon Toast Crunch had a cinnamon roll cereal that dropped, and it looked nothing like it did. When I tell you I was pissed, bro, it looked nothing like it did on that box. I'm putting this at F tier.
Of course not.
Yeah,
I
catfish
put
with some
the
cereal.
Cinnabon, like the box looks basic. They don't look good. I put them in D tier.
They don't look
realistically.
appealing. Yeah, D tier, bro. Them don't even look good.
The only
go down
saving
with
grace
the
is that it's
blueberry.
cinnamon roll flavored. That's the only reason why I would even give it D tier.
This next one though,
S tier.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch, S tier.
S tier.
go. This is go.
S tier. We're not
This is
arguing.
weird, bro.
We're not arguing.
If you
It's literally the go
disagree,
cereal.
if you
This is the
disagree,
go cereal. Ain't nothing better than cinnamon. Toast.
Cocoa Puffs, D tier.
You said what?
D tier for Cocoa Puffs.
B?
D, like
Oh,
dog.
D? Yeah, I can get down with D
'Cause this
tier. I don't
cereal
Yeah,
is
like
I
that.
can
absolute
get down with that. I
Dog,
can get
bro.
down.
The cereal is disgusting.
What?
Yes, bro. I can do cereal with a little
used
bit of
to like
chocolate in it, but when it's like all chocolate, I'm not a
I
big
like-
chocolate
I like
person anyways.
Hold up, wasn't these in the competition with the fruity? Oh no, that's the cocoa. Pebbles.
That's the Cocoa
Never mind.
Pebbles.
Cocoa Pebbles are better than Cocoa Puffs.
Yes.
Cocoa Puffs.
Oh yeah.
I haven't had either. of them. Cookie
Yes.
Crisp A tier.
I respect
Cookie
it.
Crisp
I
are A tier.
respect
A
it.
tier.
Cookie Crisp hit.
They use
These-
A tier.
These
They
boys,
use
bro. We got some of these
Nah, they
upstairs.
still A tier, Trey. You gotta
I don't
get
know.
some
No,
box.
they don't taste the same, bro. I don't know, man.
Let's see. Cornflakes.
Cornflakes C tier, bro. It's just corn.
It's just corn.
Ain't
Say it's
nothing
just
special with
cornflakes.
them.
It's like that mid cereal. It's that mid tier cereal.
It's
bro.
like
Like my
that's
dad
the
used to
cereal
eat
you
this,
got
bro.
at your grandparents' house. You know, that's what they
Yeah,
got up
yeah.
in the cupboard. You ain't gonna be like, I ain't gonna eat cereal, but it's like,
I remember they
Eat
put
it.
cornflakes on too before they got away.
Yeah, crush it up. Use it like
Pops.
pops. They used to go crazy when I was a kid, but now F tier.
They're
Yeah,
horrible.
now they
They're
kind
fucking
of
bad.
ass.
They're
now.
not good.
They kind of ass.
No, cause it's like,
Don't bother trying these hoes. They
Bro.
suck.
when I was a kid, like we was just eating cereal to eat cereal. Nowadays, I'm looking at pops like what is that?
Yeah,
But I-
yeah, you eat it today, bro. You don't know. You don't even know what you eating, bro.
It's some of the shit that if you put up to your lips, you might keel over and die. Like you eat Cocoa Puffs nowadays, bro.
And this is
That
one
might be
of
your
them.
last bowl of cereal.
This is not,
honestly,
like,
I'm putting
Pops
pops
is
to
not
sickening,
good,
bro. I'm putting pops to sickening.
Yeah,
bro.
bro. That's gotta be sickening.
Yeah,
bro.
I gotta agree with that. Pops is not good. They not good at all. They not good.
Cause it's like the more and more I look at it, it's like one, like I know every piece of cereal can't be perfect. None of these cereal look like you'll never find the same pop that looks like the other one. And nobody knows the flavor of these things. Like it just tastes like
They
sugar
don't got no flavor.
or like honey. Like it's got like a real sweet flavor to it. And they hard too.
It's
It take a
so-
long time for these to get soggy.
This shit does not have a defined flavor. It does not have a defined.
We should have added another bar below this that just says hell and put these right there because that's what these need to be.
Send them to hell. Speaking of somebody being sent to hell,
Count Chocula. F.
That shit.
This
bro,
going to F
Any
tier, bro.
of these weird, any of these Halloween series are not good now.
They're going to Count Chocula's going to F tier. Like it ain't
Bro.
the marshmallow saving. Crackling
This next one got me cracking up. Literally.
What is that?
crackling oat bran.
What is that?
Yeah, so
I never seen that in my
I'm gonna
I've
I'm
never
gonna
seen that damn
I'm gonna
life.
speak
I've
for the
never seen
collective. This is going in sickening because if you are eating oat bran and you are under the age of 40, what are you doing with your life?
I've never seen that cereal a day in
Well,
my
actually,
life.
no. Let me change that.
C or
Let me change that. Unless it's for health reasons where you have to eat this, then that's a different story. But if you are willingly walking into the store,
You eat it
you're
that-
passing cinnamon toast crunch, cookie crisp, oops all berries, all of this, bro. And you said crackling oat bran. Let me get 2 boxes of these just
Let
in
me grab
case.
some of those. Let me grab some of those.
Like, bro,
Get
what?
them out of here. Get them out of here.
Freaking Eggo maple syrup waffle cereal.
I ain't never had these.
Okay,
They
now
sound
listen.
like ass.
No, cause there's a cereal is it on this list? It is on this list. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in like C tier because I've never had these before, but I haven't had bad waffle cereal. I've had a waffle cereal before, but not this one.
Wait, where are you putting the
I'm putting the waffle cereal, C tier. Frankenberry,
Frankenberries.
D tier.
F tier, bro.
Go next to your homie.
Blueberry. No,
Tony Chocolate, nigga.
no, we
Throw
can.
Blueberry down
Bro,
there. They
no,
got
no,
the combo. They got the triple.
no. Well, I'm
F tier,
putting.
all three of them.
I can't disagree
Bro,
with that.
didn't
Let's put the
they
trio
add a
together.
new one
Homies.
like a wolf or something, bro?
That one, okay. No, listen.
He obviously got cut off. He ain't even on the tier list.
No, because
We don't talk about
I
the
think
wolf.
I think they added him like last year. But I will
Yeah, he
say,
just got
I will
added to
say,
the mix. He
that
just
one
got added.
is beating all. Like it actually tastes good. Like it don't taste like just sugar with some marshmallows added and like funny shaped cereal. Like it actually tastes good. I think it's like fruity, like fruit punch or whatever. Not fruit punch. That fruit punch cereal sounds disgusting. But it's like fruit brew. That's what it is. Fruit brew.
Fruit.
Mhm.
Yeah,
French Toast Crunch.
Toast, these
A
shits
tier.
They
A tier.
hit. They hit.
This is an A tier cereal right here.
Yeah,
Nah, they hit, bro.
Like, them boys was hitting on every cylinder. I haven't seen these in store though. I haven't seen them as of late.
But you had them before though, right?
Yeah, I've had them plenty of
Oh
times.
my, they hit.
Fruit Loops, B tier.
E tier.
Yeah, these are okay.
They
These
solid.
okay.
They
You
solid.
can't go wrong with Fruit Loops. You can't go wrong.
Yeah, you can't. But this next cereal, you go wrong.
S
with
tier.
these.
Yeah, those are S tier cereal.
Frosted Flakes, you said
We're saying Frosted Flakes is S tier.
like
Is this
Bro,
what we
at
going
least
now?
at
Yeah,
least
that's-
A tier. At least A tier.
Bro. Frosted Flakes go crazy.
Frosted
They
Flakes
are
goes
really
go
great.
absolutely yeah, literally. They're
They're not.
bro.
They're
Okay,
bad for me, but I'll give you A because they're not up there with Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
no, bro.
No
Okay,
shock, no
okay.
shock.
Here's the deal. They had for a limited time. They had cinnamon Frosted Flakes. When I tell you, I saw that and put the Cinnamon Toast Crunch back. That was the best box of cereal
The
I have
cinnamon
ever
one
purchased
was
in
crazy.
my life, bro.
That's crazy.
It's a bold statement, bro. It's a bold statement, but
How,
the
bro?
cinnamon Frosted Flakes was crazy.
Bro, they get super soggy. Like the taste not even all
How
that.
long it take you to
Sugar
get
is
this?
there.
Why you gotta eat them fast, cuz?
See, here's the thing with Frosted
I'm
Flakes.
not trying to
I got this from
finish
my
my
dad.
cereal in 2
You
minutes.
don't pour the cereal and then pour the milk with Frosted Flakes. You pour the milk, pour you like a half bowl of milk and then like put
Oh,
cereal in a cup and then eat like that.
Are insane.
Because of them getting soggy quick. Like if the cereal gets
I'll say
soggy
this,
quick,
though.
you gotta, and if it's a good cereal, you gotta work with what you got. And I'm not about to let my Frosted Flakes get soggy.
For this. The second bowl of it with the leftover milk
Boy.
is better than the
bro.
first.
Oh my.
It's better than the first.
Way better than
But
boy.
the first bowl, it's tough. It's tough to get to. But the second bowl,
It's like a reward for your
Better.
work. Like you work through the first bowl of Frosted Flakes, now boom,
it's like a reward.
here go that second bowl with that
Can't
sweet
have
milk.
Frosted Flakes without second milk. You can't do that.
Most of
But-
bro,
Gotta
I feel like most cereal once you hit that second bowl, that's where they hook you at.
The
It's like
milk
the
hit
first
different.
bowl, like cinnamon
Something
toast crunch.
about it, bro.
The first bowl, great, but once you pour cinnamon toast crunch in that cinnamon sugar milk,
Oh, the second bowl is
Oh
always
my
like
gosh.
it's risky because it's a lot of sugar,
mhm.
but you know that second bowl is gonna hit.
Now when you hit that third bowl, that's when you need to calm down. That's
No,
when
what
you need to
about
calm
that second
down.
bowl of Cocoa Puffs?
Yeah, that second bowl of Cocoa Puffs, you might as well eat that right in the parking lot of the hospital, bro. Cause that's where you gonna be.
Dude's drinking chocolate milk in chocolate cereal. That's disgusting.
Bro,
Nah,
like,
what about that second bowl of Count Dracula, bro?
Yeah,
Get
yeah.
the first bowl of
exactly.
Count Dracula.
I'm barely making it past the second spoonful.
Hey, what's next, bro? Mini Wheats?
Mini wheats,
Mini Wheats hit.
they hit.
The
They hit.
Boston
I
ones
say,
hit.
I say, I say,
haven't had 'em
be your A tier.
I haven't really had 'em like
I say
that.
be your A
They
tier.
solid.
Bro, cause it's like that's one of these. That's Mini Wheats is like one of them cereal that's like it's like really healthy, but it's also like really good at the same time. So it's like you get that
Yeah,
you get
it's
that nice
not one of
balance.
them healthy cereals that don't taste good. They like it's solid.
Golden
Oh, we
Crisp.
got a bad roll. We got a bad roll coming up right here. I'm looking at the next 5. It's not looking good. We can
Golden
see
Crisp.
right
This
here.
Golden Crisp is going in D tier. These are hot dog
No,
bun
he
cereal.
need to go down. He need to go down to F tier. This cheesy motherfucker on the 5. What's he got going on, bro?
That nigga look high on track.
Bro, he
Nigga
got
is up to
some, bro.
Bro, I could never eat this cereal without laughing because it always looked like hot dog buns. And like for a while, me and my
Nigga
brothers
made
was
the
calling this
cereal
a
as a
hot
side
dog
hustle.
bun cereal.
Whoever they got promoted that shit, bro. Look at him.
Bro,
Eating it.
next, speed run next.
Golden Grams,
I
F tier.
had
Nah, that's
these in-
D tier, bro.
F tier.
The small box, they're horrible
I'll put
too.
it in C tier. I'll put it in C
Nah,
tier.
No, that's D
Alright,
tier.
Okay,
that's
we'll-
D
we'll-
tier.
we'll
put
agree
it
on
in
D tier.
for now.
Gorilla Munch, sickening,
No, that's
Never
fucking
had that.
Sickening. sickening, bro.
Gorilla cereal. That's my
What is-
Sickening.
What
Gorilla
is
cereal.
Gorilla, bro?
What is
If
Gorilla
I
Munch?
made this into a TikTok or a short, bro, someone please tell me what Gorilla Munch is right now.
No,
Type
if
that
you,
in the
yeah,
comments.
exactly. If you've had Gorilla Munch,
What's Gorilla Munch?
rate Gorilla Munch because
I'll
we've
see
not
you
had
post it
Gorilla
on
Munch,
TikTok.
so
I
I'm
don't
putting this at
want it.
sickening.
Mm-hmm.
No, because people's advocating for Slim Jims.
Yeah, it's true.
Honey Bun Doughs.
B, this is one of these healthy good
D
cereals.
tier, bro.
What?
I'll go see. I'll meet you at C tier, bro.
We can meet at C. We can meet at C tier.
C tier, alright.
I'll put
Honeycomb,
it at the top of C.
I'll give it B.
C
tier.
C tier.
Honeycomb, that's kind of C tier, bro.
C tier.
It's
Like-
pretty okay.
Like
but
it's like it's
hit or
with
miss, hit or
Apple
miss.
Jacks, bro. It's like if it's there, I'ma eat it, but it's not my first choice. Honey Nut Cheerios, A tier.
B tier, bro. Oh,
A tier.
Yeah, A tier.
This one of
It's
them.
up there,
This
bro.
one of them boys. Donuts, I've
nigga,
not had these before.
A. No, I've had that. I had that, bro. I've had
What's the
that.
donuts? Y'all had these?
Yeah, bro. I've had that.
Are they like that?
Sound like you've enjoyed having these. They don't sound like it's
So
Nah,
where they going?
Bro, that's, it's like it's falling between sickening and F tier, bro. Like, it's just not really that good.
Are we putting it with the
Let's
is
put it with,
is
let's put it, we gotta put it with Gorilla, bro. We gotta put it with Gorilla.
We putting it with Gorilla Munch,
Yeah, bro, like that shit
donuts
ass.
not good, okay?
That shit ass.
Kashi Golean. That can go in sickening, bro. Cause what the heck?
Sickening, bro.
Nah, bro, let's put it in F tier because it got lean in the name.
Nah, if that's the case, bro's gotta go in
Some-
S tier, bro, cause it got lean and it's 100%
I refuse to
lean.
put this with
No.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I refuse
No.
to put this with Cinnamon
We
Toast Crunch.
made the joke, we had our fun, it stays in F tier. We ain't raising it all the way up to S tier.
Let's
That's-
see,
that's crazy.
Kicks, these with milk are horrible.
Like,
These are sickening. It's just corn cereal, bro.
Is the messaging app that we used in elementary school.
These are
What are
absolutely. It's corn cereal.
Actually,
Like it
they-
tastes
like,
salty.
they put that bitch on a corn on a pie, bro.
Like when I tell you it has like a savory flavor, it's savory. It's not sweet. Like it's not even plain like cornflakes, bro. Like it's got like some like, oh, this needs some butter or some salt to it type of flavor.
No.
So what we
butter?
saying? What you saying? What you saying with it?
Cakes is going to sickening. Off rip. Like
Oh.
yeah,
We have a lot more sickening nowadays with the cereals.
yeah, bro. Crave F tier.
It should go crazy. And now it's.
I'm only putting it in F tier
Crazy.
because it's I can't put it on the same level as
It's too
Gorilla
much.
Munch and
Bro,
Kicks.
there's too much of that chocolate shit in the middle, bro.
No, look at the Gorilla Munch box, bro.
That gorilla looks so sad. Like, why you
Yeah,
got
see,
this
all
shitty
that
cereal?
He said if I didn't hear about Gorilla Munch. He said to
Exactly.
Like, man, ain't nobody finna eat this shit.
Bro, I ain't never seen that a day in my life.
I've never seen this. Life cereal. I've never in my life seen this doggone cereal.
I've
So
only seen that and
It's
never
pretty good.
took it seriously.
It's
bro.
pretty
But
good.
Ethan, where you putting it, bro?
Where you putting it?
D tier.
C tier.
I will
Both
put
of them.
in C tier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause I ain't about to rate both of them. They look the same.
Lucio O's.
Oh.
Honestly, bro, I would have thought that in sickening off the rip. But I don't.
Yeah.
Lucio.
Listen, bro. I'm not eating video game cereal. Like I
I'm
draw
not eating video
the
game.
line.
It might be fire. It might be fire.
Yeah,
gotta
it can.
put this in
Yep,
sickening,
yep.
bro.
It can be fire all day. It can be fire sitting on that shelf until it expires. Cause I'm not eating no doggone video game cereal.
What, so what we putting it?
I'm putting sickening. Yeah, bro.
Sickening.
The heck?
Well, I'm gonna put it next to my guy, Gorilla Munch, bro.
Bro need.
Man,
Bro
I'm
need.
gonna find the box.
He needs to stick to worrying about healing
Bro,
and
if you
speed
find
boosting.
a box, bro, bring it to the next function, bro. We'll all try Lucio's.
Lucky
Lucky
Charms,
Charms.
B tier.
A tier. A tier.
I can give it
Y'all
A
had
tier.
Lucky Charms
C tier,
where it's
bro.
straight up just the charms?
No, I haven't.
Oh, I haven't had that.
No, you know what? You a nasty, greedy individual. Now that you just said that,
Wait, that sound diamond.
Bro, they
He
got a separate bag.
Christian,
with just straight
Christian,
charms.
Christian, bro. No,
Oh
no.
my goodness.
He
like,
just-
like the little
bro.
plastic marshmallow thing?
Yes, bro. He talking about just straight charms. No,
marshmallows.
Christian ate a bowl full of dehydrated marshmallows, bro, and said, the flavors are melting on my tongue. No, that's called pre.
Dude,
Getting
nah,
ass.
but the normal
Plus
Lucky
it's
Charms
fire.
are going C tier, bro. I don't
Oh,
know
we,
about the Lucky Charms,
we
bro.
can do B tier, but they can't go down there with
Okay,
with Apple Jacks and Captain Crunch and cornflakes, bro.
quick pause. I see a cereal on this roll that I am making a new roll for. I'm just letting y'all know right now. Get to it, y'all know what I'm talking about.
I think I know what
we
you're
all
talking
see
about.
it.
Okay.
Everybody sees it.
Uh,
Everybody sees it.
Nutter Butters.
Lucky Charms B tier though.
Nutter Butter cereal. I haven't had this, but the Nutter Butter cookies are
Nutter
good.
butter. Well, this is cereal, so it's gonna be worse.
Yeah, the Nutter Butter, that's a D tier.
I don't say because I would put Nutter Butters at C tier, so D tier works.
Oreo?
Oreo O's A tier. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Oh
those are
my
pretty good.
boy.
Those are pretty good.
And if
I
they-
think, bro, Deontay was the first person to show me these. He sent a photo of them. I'm like, bro,
Yeah.
what the hell are those? I ain't never seen those
Yeah, them
again,
dudes
bro.
was fire.
This dude got the box like as soon as they dropped.
Bro, and these on freaking ice cream? Cocoa Pebbles.
Good.
I'm not a fan of chocolate. I'm a step out of this one because I don't really rock with chocolate cereal like that. So I'm gonna let y'all.
Cocoa
Decide on
bro,
this.
Cocoa Bros, I highly fuck with these. These are really good.
I like Fruity Pebbles more than Cocoa Pebbles.
Yeah. So
I
wherever
can stand-
Cocoa Pebbles go, I'm putting Fruity Pebbles above that.
Well, let's put Cocoa Pebbles at like C tier maybe, and then we can throw Fruity Pebbles at D tier, bro.
Okay.
Fruity Pebbles hit.
Fruity Pebbles definitely hit.
I'm a swap that though, cause I feel different about it. I'm a swap.
I respect it. I
Okay,
respect it.
like I'm looking at this list right now, right? So if I walked into somebody's house and they only had Cinnamon Toast Crunch, we're chilling. If I walked in their house and they only had
Yeah, we're
Cookie
fine.
Crisp, French Toast Crunch, Frosted Flakes, Honey Nut Cheerios, Lucky Charms, Oreos, that's a W cereal cabinet. B,
I'm looking at the rest of the cereals we got here. Hold up.
that's a W
Yeah,
cereal
the
cabinet.
here about to expand, bro.
Exactly, signature about to be 2 rows in a minute.
There's only 2 cereals on here that I would actually eat.
Yeah,
Out of this,
there's
the
only-
rest of these, what do we got?
There's
Yeah,
this
there's
row.
two on the
There's
ID.
1,
There's 2 on the ID. There's
2,
2.
3, 4. There's
I
4.
can- I
4
can-
cereals.
I can
I
eat
ain't
2 of
eating
these
the
on here.
Reese's. I ain't eating the Reese's Puffs.
Well, yeah, you don't like peanut butter. I'm putting
But
those
you
at
know
B
what I
tier.
can rock with? The commercial. Yes, sir. But we'll get to those when we get there.
Pop-Tart
You ever
cereals.
had these?
I've not had these before,
No, I've never had these.
so I gotta put these at
You
F tier.
had these?
Nope. They look ass.
No, they can't be F tier, man.
I'm only putting them. I've never had them.
Wait,
I've never had them,
bro,
so
what is
like
that?
default.
Strawberry, bro? No, bro.
Yeah, strawberry and milk. We're not even gonna do it. Maybe a milkshake, but not that. Raisin Bran?
Sickening.
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 Raisin Bran
Sickening.
Crunch.
Bunch of
Sickening.
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 Reese
Don't eat
Puffs.
old
Down 'em up.
person. Don't eat that.
sickening.
B. I put these at B tier. I mean, you Chris,
What,
you don't like
Reese's Puffs?
peanut butter. Yeah, I put Reese
I
Puffs
like,
at B tier.
I'll put Reese's Puffs at B tier, bro. I can fuck with Reese's Puffs.
I'll go D tier,
We'll meet at C.
but I'll meet y'all at C. Alright.
Shit, I
Rice
can't go
Krispies?
nowhere.
These boys disgusting.
D tier,
Sickening.
bro. D tier.
Yeah, they're okay. I mean, if
I
they
put 'em
we
in
got
D
them at the
tier, bro.
house, I can eat them, but
I can rock with them.
Cocoa Krispies F.
Yo,
Once
fuck with the
again.
Cocoa Krispies, bro.
Yeah.
look at how many chocolate cereals, by the way, are on F tier, bruh. Stop
Nah, I
putting
fuck with
chocolate
these,
in
bro.
cereals.
I don't know what y'all on about the chocolate cereal. I fuck with them.
S'mores.
I've never had these.
These are. I haven't had them in
Like,
years.
Made in 2008.
I haven't had these in years. But when I
Haven't
did,
had
when I did eat these were like a
Smooth.
B tier. It's basically graham cracker. I think chocolate flavored
We're
graham
talking
cracker
about when
marshmallows.
You had this when you were a kid, right?
Yeah.
With your adult taste buds, you think you can stomach s'mores?
As a kid, I would rate these
eat
A
s'mores.
tier.
I don't know about the
Right
cereal.
now, I'll probably put these at C tier most likely.
They
I'll probably put these at C
went
tier.
out, like they probably went out of business because I ain't never seen these in my life.
No,
I've never
I've seen
these.
these. The box is different. The box does not look like that anymore. but this was that cereal. Sour Patch. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna all click add row. We're gonna click that setting, and we're gonna
add
type,
row below.
type hell, change it to red. You wanna know why? You know why we're gonna do that? Because never in my life have I ever had a cereal that was already sour, right? Once you put it in the freaking milk, the milk not only turns colors, but the milk tastes like it's old. The milk is, I took a spoonful of this, ate it, and thought I was about to throw up. This is the nastiest. I'm surprised that they're still selling this. If you buy this for your kids, you hate them.
Send that shit to hell.
And you also know what I'm doing? I'm putting Raisin Bran and
Don't
Raisin
even
Bran
look
Crunch
bad.
down here as well.
Send it to hell. Fucking Raisin Bran can go down there too.
Both
Yeah,
of them.
Raisin Bran can beat 'em down there.
Special K, I've never had Special K.
Me
It's
neither.
just another plain cereal, you know.
So what, D
Oh,
tier?
well, then they can. Yeah.
Either or.
Strawberry Mini Wheats, B tier.
You said B tier, bro?
Yeah,
I've never had these. They good
I've
like
never
that?
had
Yeah.
these.
they're good. They're good.
I'm gonna put it.
It's another good healthy cereal.
Tricks?
Seen
Nah,
about
I don't
Trix.
know about
Tricks,
That's
I
sickening to me.
rock with
That
Trix.
shit's sickening to me.
I'll put it B.
Tricks,
I can't stand
Tricks,
no fucking Tricks.
Tricks in the actual
Ah,
shapes are good, but
I'ma
Tricks when they
put-
was just them little balls, that thing was disgusting. That thing tastes fake.
Put him at D. I really can't get down with
Waffle
no
Crisp,
Alright,
S tier.
we'll put them at C. Hold on, AJ. We didn't even decide where we putting Trix at.
Yes, we did. We just said B
bro.
tier.
We can do
Alright.
C.
See?
Waffle Crisp? I don't know. That can be sickening. I don't know.
Whoa! But you're
Oh, you offended
you're smoking that wacky
Let me see.
tobacco, bro. This
He's
Bro,
smoking
that-
on what? Where homeboy at? He's smoking on Golden Crisp pack.
Golden Crisp, bro.
Waffle Crisp, bro?
That thing on the box, whatever that is. he must be smoking whatever he got going on over there.
He look like he going, hey.
Blueberry definitely, he was on some stuff too. Look at him, by the way. He got munchies.
No,
Hey,
That's
bro.
the only way you get
None-
this here.
None of them can keep their mouths closed, bro. Look at all the serial characters, bro. All of them got their mouths gaped open.
I don't know what Wheaties is, bro, but I know where I'm
They
putting that.
do, man. They do.
Except for Gorilla Munch, bro, cause he know ain't nothing to smile about with that cereal, bro.
He ain't even trying to promote that.
Like, bro, he just staring. Bro, like, bro, I gotta look up Gorilla Munch, bro. Actually, no, hold
I'm
on.
looking it up
Pause.
after this. I'm looking it up after this.
I'm putting waffle. I think Waffle Crisp goes in S tier, bro. This is one of them cereals with cinnamon toast crunch.
You're
That
the
is
only
like,
thing. You're the only one who's had these, so they definitely
Yeah,
cannot
exactly.
go in
All
S
that,
tier. They can't go in S tier.
bro, it's not an old cereal. What are you talking about? They still make Waffle Crisp to this day.
I ain't never seen
Bro,
them ever.
Okay, but
Bro,
what
going to
did it?
Kmart. He going to Kmart to pick that shit up because I don't see it.
It's like
I've been to Kroger's a lot of time in my life, and I've seen a lot
He
of
going to
cereals.
Kmart, bro. That
I've
shit
never
shut
seen
down.
one
That's
of
when you
these.
get that
no.
shit.
I go to Walmart to get cereal, and this is always at Walmart.
I did that at Walmart.
Bro,
I don't
okay.
go to Walmart to get food,
Trey,
bro.
you saying that I'm lying? I'm going to go to Walmart tomorrow and take a picture of Waffle Crisp just to show you that you wrong, bro. Just to show you that you
I've
wrong.
never seen this shit.
Once you take the picture, you can walk out without them. They going in C tier. They going in C
These,
tier.
I'm putting them
I put him in D
Nope.
tier.
Oh, D tier? I can respect the D tier. Let's throw them in D tier.
I'm not throwing those
I
in
ain't
D tier.
never seen that.
Wheaties, yeah, hell.
What are we?
That's
This
hell,
is
bro.
your
That's
tier. This is that
hell.
old shit right here. You
Bro, I do
you
not
Jordan box.
I do
That's like a-
I do
that's
not
like
eat
a-
Wheaties, bro. That's
So no, hold
that's
up. No, this has got to go in F tier for one reason. First of all, they got milk, and then they got
what, bro?
They got an eighth of chocolate milk
He
in a
choking
bottle,
on his
bro.
words.
No, because this is ridiculous. They have chocolate milk, then they got the normal milk, and then they got a banana.
Bro, I put it in hell. I put it in hell, bro. Like, come on.
Yeah, that's good hell, bro.
You know what? Nah, bro. Nah. They can't. They gotta go in sickening. Because no, cause listen. Would you rather eat Wheaties or eat that Sour Patch cereal?
Oh my!
Yeah, you're right.
Exactly.
You're
I
right,
took
you're right,
I
you're
took
right.
all the cereal
You're
that I
right.
put in Hill. I put it in Sickening because I would rather eat that. I would rather eat a bowl of every one of these cereals before I sit down and eat a half bowl of Sour Patch. That is the bro. Well, yeah, that's a lot. You
For
could
your
definitely
birthday,
pick me
I'm
eat
gonna
that
give
cereal.
you a box of Sour Patch.
And then I'm gonna record a video of me using it in a bonfire. I'm gonna set that whole box of cereal on fire. Use it as kindling for some logs. I'm not eating that. Bro, who thought of that,
Okay.
bro? Like, people really just be in the lab playing around. Cause how the heck do you make sour cereal? And then like they're bragging about it, like turning your milk sour. It tastes like old milk. Like you ever smelled sour milk? That's what it tastes like. Like you start eating it, like your face shouldn't be twisting up, eating freaking cereal, sour cereal. How do you look sour cereal? Really? Sour Patch? You could have came up with any other candy. But why are you trying to turn candy into freaking cereal anyways?
This nigga going on a rant.
Bro, cause it's so like they violated my
I think
taste
the
buds, bro.
kids will love it.
They violated my taste buds with that cereal, and I'm not okay with that. Not okay with that.
All right. Well, we've completed our tier list.
I'm done with mine,
What
but
you-
I want to look up what Gorilla Munch is.
You thought,
While you look up what Gorilla Munch is, y'all know what's good, bruh. We only have peak taste buds over here. Just like how you always complaining about.
Oh, the
peak
gorilla's
in the
smiling.
last episode. What?
Serious, nigga. Like I said, don't put meat sticks in your mouth. Don't
Bro,
try to
bro,
flex Slim
they
Jim,
got-
you whole ass niggas.
They got Gorilla Munch, Koala Crisp, and Panda Puffs. You know, Trey finna be on them
Trey
Panda
rocking with
Puffs,
the
bro.
Panda
He finna
Puffs.
be on them Panda
Nigga,
Puffs.
I ain't getting none of that shit. They don't even, bro.
You got to, bro.
The character that's represented in cereals don't even like that shit.
Bro, they're smiling. If you look at the HD image for it, they're smiling. The gorilla got a smile on his face. And then they got a baby monkey for like baby
smile.
cereal.
What is it called?
Oh, Gorilla Munch.
It's called Gorilla Munch.
Well, y'all can look up Gorilla Munch in your free time. Like I said, bruh,
Really?
we only got
smiling.
peak taste buds over here, bruh. If you ain't rocking with this list, you're doing something wrong. And if you actually enjoy
Or your
Sour
family
Patch
just
Kids
doesn't love
cereal,
If you enjoy Sour Patch cereal and you come up to me talking crazy like that, bro, you gonna get punched in the mouth. You gonna get punched straight in your jaw.
Bro, that,
deserve it no more.
bro, that bread looks horrible too.
I don't trust nothing that's coming out of your mouth. When you say, oh, bro, my favorite cereal is Sour Patch. Have you ever had that before? You're automatically a liar to me. And I can't trust anything you say.
The niggas who like Sour
said
Patch
you're on
cereal be the ones that be buying like 50 packs of them.
And be flipping their eyelids upside down and 26 packs of Slim Jims. They
But
piss battery
nonetheless-
acid.
nonetheless,
Panda
nonetheless,
cereal.
nonetheless. Y'all disagree with us, bruh? Throw it in the comments. You already know what's up.
Exactly. Try and debate us if you want to.
We've been
Nigga, there's
here
nothing to
with the-
debate.
We're here with the boys, right here. Me.
Nah, they only want to debate show because I wasn't in the last video. That's why they was afraid of these fucking Slim Jims. Cause trust me, if I was in the last video, it wouldn't be nothing said.
We've been here with the boys, bruh. Me, AJ, Trey, Ethan, Deontay. All their
Yeah.
links is down below.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Already
sir.
Ethan never
know.
said nothing the whole time.
Ethan said like 4-5 words. Shout out to Ethan. No.
He did, and he fell asleep.
Did you hear, bro?
No, he sleep.
He fell asleep in the middle of
He
the
said,
He's saying,
But
eh,
yeah,
they got
check
it.
out all their links below.
Do that.
Like,
Do
subscribe,
that.
comment, all that good stuff. Hey, you already know it's good. Until the next one, bruh.
Doses.
raisin bread, nigga.
What?